So yeah, somebody had asked about XPR. I missed that, sorry. The weekly 10 is your focus point for sure. That's a clear winner. That is probably the most important thing in price for XPR. The weekly 10 by a mile. That is extremely obvious there. This isn't 10 months old yet. What else do we have? What kind of EMAs do we have going on? That's interesting. Honestly, I would also throw on the daily 21. Let me take off the weekly. Yeah, I would mix these two. This looks like it could get a squeeze play. This could pop up. But you'd want to focus. So this range is really tight. This range resolution is this is getting ready to move one way or another. I mean, if it drops below the daily 21 EMA, that's generally bad. Now, can you close the candle? But below, yes, without being a death sentence. But the next candle has to come back into it. This has a very, very, very tight range. And taking off the weekly 10, you can see that anytime that this goes below it, that's its next move down. The daily 10 EMA, right there. Or no, daily 21. This is the daily 21. Sorry. Goes below, move down. Goes below, big move down. Resistance goes below, move down. Goes below, little fake rally, moves down. So this daily 21 is getting things right from the support, and the thing that's getting it right perfectly from the resistance point is the weekly 10, and they are converging. This is getting ready to have a big move. If Bitcoin can, take another leg up, this is going to have a pretty massive move up. It'll probably go straight to 2 cents, which would be probably like a 60% move, or it would probably have a big move. It would probably have a very big move if Bitcoin can get its footing here, and at least try to get back up to 41, 42K. This could have a big breakout at any time. But in addition to that, it could also have a big breakdown, right? It could easily have a big breakdown. But yeah, those are the two things to throw in your chart: daily 21 and weekly 10. It's getting the support and resistance almost perfectly, and I don't think that you're going to be able to find any other single things that are getting both support and resistance better than those two items. And if you do, then I would like to know about it. But I think this is about as perfect as you can get in terms of trying to get general direction correctly. These two are, yeah, that's a cool chart. I usually don't mix the daily 21 and the weekly 10. This is an interesting. This coin moves very interestingly. Maybe because there aren't bots hooked up to it yet, and it's moving more, towards mass psychology and people trading it. That might be why it's in a kind of interesting scenario right here. Yeah, it doesn't look bad though, but just keep your eye out, in terms of a potential move down on the daily 21. That's a cool chart.